So hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to install and uninstall the Dell monitors, so which are used for the laptop extension as a monitor. Okay, so this is a Dell monitor. I think remaining models installation will be same for the installation and uninstallation. Please just have a look, and after this, if you are installing it, if you come across any issues, you can just message me. I will reply back to that. Okay. So if you see here, these all parts will come here. So this is one just a cover case. This is the fixing just below this one, and this is a complete base here. Okay, and these are the two cords. One is the power cord and one is the HDMI cord. Okay, so let me start one by one. So first take this this one and just see here. Okay, so if you see here, installing this part is very easy. Just if you are pushing down, it is installed. But if you want to remove this when you are uninstalling it, okay, so this won't come easily. So for that, actually, even instructions are not given properly here. So you can just zoom it here. Okay, so if you when you are planning to uninstall, so you just need to take a sharp needle-like things or something like a pen, ball pen, and just you have to press it here in the center. So once you press it, just pull it down, it will come out. Okay, so that's the simple one for uninstallation. For installation is nothing, you just push it. For uninstallation, you just press here first with some ball pen and then remove this part. This is done. So the second part. Okay, so this is the base actually. So if you just see here how the modules are there, you can just place it there. Okay, so now you see it is installed. Once again, installation is very easy. So but when you are planning to remove these parts, these are not so easy. So you just need to see here. So this is this button. Just press it here, and I always say that installation is easy, uninstallation is always difficult. If you want to install, you just put it here, just push it down. If you want to do uninstallation, just see this button, push it down and pull it up, it will come down. So in this way we are done with the installation. And just for a back case, this one is there. It is just optional. If you want to install, you can install, or else you can skip it. No issues. I will just install it. Okay, so everything is covered. So if you just see here, so this is the monitor. Okay, and this will be your power cord. So it will go, one is here, and this one is the main switchboard, and this is the HDMI cable, one from your monitor and one for your laptop. So your laptop will be extended here. So if you feel come across any issues, you can just message me. So this is the Dell monitors. I feel even remaining monitors installation and uninstallation is same process. Just go through it, and if you come across any such issues, just follow my video. I think it will help you. So thank you all.